This is the decimal practice test, and here we're looking at problems 6 and 7. Problem 6 is an addition of two decimal numbers, 3 and 9/10 plus 15 hundredths. And so what we want to do is we want to set up the addition in this way, and the key thing is to make sure that our decimal points are all in a vertical line and that our place values are lined up one under the other. So on this top number we could put a 0 here, but 5 plus 0 would just give me 5 in the hundredths place. 1 plus 9 is 10. I carry the 1 over to the ones place. 1 plus 3 is 4. And so this is my answer, 4 and 5 hundredths. You're going to have to do these by hand without a calculator on the test. And here on number 7, we have a subtraction of 5 and 5/10 minus 2 and 6/10. And once again, we make sure that our decimal points are lined up in a vertical line, and then we begin our subtraction over on the far right-hand place value. And so here we have a 6. We want to subtract that from 5. We're not able to do that, so we're going to borrow from the 5 in the ones place, the 5 to the left, and make that a 4, and that makes this 5 here a 15. And now we can subtract the 6 from the 15, and we get 9. And then in the ones place, the 2 from the 4 gives me 2. And so my answer is 2 and 9/10.